Mastering passive voice. Auxiliary verbs uncovered. Hello, English learners. Today, we're going to focus on an important part of the English language, the passive voice. Specifically, we'll be uncovering the role of auxiliary verbs in forming the passive voice. It might sound complex now, but don't worry, we'll break it down step by step. The passive voice is a way to construct sentences where the focus is on the action and not on who or what is performing the action. For example, instead of saying, "The dog chased the cat," which is active voice, you could say, "The cat was chased by the dog," which is passive voice. Notice that in the passive sentence, the action, the chasing, becomes the focus. In the passive voice, we use auxiliary verbs to indicate tense and to form the structure of the passive sentence. Auxiliary verbs are often called helper verbs, as they help to complete the meaning of the main verb. In the passive voice, the auxiliary verbs we use are forms of be and get. The verb be is the most commonly used auxiliary verb in the passive voice. It changes form based on the tense of the sentence. Let's look at some examples. Present simple. The letter is written by Sarah. Past simple. The cake was eaten by the children. Future simple. The report will be prepared by John. In each case, the form of be helps indicate the tense, present, past, future, while the main verb, written, eaten, prepared, is in the past participle form. In informal English, especially in spoken language, we sometimes use get instead of be to form the passive voice. However, it is not used with all verbs and not in all tenses. It's most commonly used in the present and past simple tenses. For example, present simple. The window gets cleaned every week. Past simple. He got promoted last year. Remember, the use of get in the passive voice is less formal and may not be appropriate for formal writing or speaking contexts. And there you have it, folks. We've uncovered the role of auxiliary verbs in forming the passive voice. Remember, the be and get are our helpers to indicate tense and to construct the passive sentence. As you continue to practice and learn, it'll become second nature. Keep practicing, and you'll master the passive voice in no time. Thanks for joining us in this learning journey. Until next time, keep learning, keep practicing, and keep having fun with English.